how to create Binance account and deposit. Now, if you have not yet created a Binance account, first of all, I've already made a dedicated tutorial for that. This video will exclusively cover what you are going to do to be able to deposit fiat currency or money into your Binance account to start trading. Now, in my case, my account is already created and I've already verified as well. So make sure you also verify your account, because without verification, you will have very limited access to the app. After you do that, I'm on the Binance Pro version, so I can come to the wallet tab from the bottom right. Now I want to deposit, so I'll just tap the deposit button there. Now let's say I want to deposit USD. I'll select deposit USD. Now here I can choose a currency right here, and I'll simply go ahead and then type in USD, let's say. So once I go ahead and search for USD or any of the other currency right here that I want to deposit, I can see buy crypto with AUD or anything like that. So I can tap on continue. I can just select buy. So let's say I want to buy a certain amount of crypto. Let's say I want to buy $1,000 worth of crypto. I'll select that. I'll tap on the pay with this particular card option, and I can also add a new card if I want to be able to pay them. So this way I should be able to go ahead and then basically create a Binance account and deposit crypto or money into it. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.